Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down 5 of the best drones you can buy right now. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first aerial photography experience, an outdoor adventurer who wants to capture stunning landscapes from breathtaking perspectives, or a seasoned professional filmmaker who demands the absolute best in image quality and flight performance, these picks represent the very best the consumer drone market has to offer. From budget-friendly flyers to cinema-grade aerial powerhouses, let's get into it. Number 5. Holy Stone HS720E. The Holy Stone HS720E. And if you're stepping into the world of drones for the very first time and want a capable, feature-rich flying experience without spending a fortune, the HS720E is the entry point that makes the most sense. Holy Stone has built a strong reputation for producing accessible, beginner-friendly drones that don't skimp on features, and the HS720E is the finest expression of that philosophy yet. The 4K UHD camera with electronic image stabilization captures smooth, detailed aerial footage that genuinely impresses for a drone at this price point, and the adjustable 90-degree tilt gives you the flexibility to frame your shots exactly the way you want them. GPS-assisted flight is the feature that truly sets the HS720E apart from cheaper toy drones. It provides stable, locked hovering even in light wind conditions, making it significantly easier to compose and capture clean aerial shots without constantly fighting the controls. The automatic return-to-home function activates whenever the battery runs low or the signal is lost, giving beginner pilots genuine peace of mind that their investment will find its way safely back to them. Follow Me mode tracks and films you automatically as you move, while gesture control lets you trigger photos and videos hands-free with a simple wave, features that make capturing content solo genuinely easy and fun. With up to 23 minutes of flight time per battery and a transmission range of up to 1 kilometer, the HS720E gives you plenty of sky to explore. The foldable compact design makes it easy to pack into a bag and take anywhere adventures lead. The Holy Stone HS720E retails for approximately $200 USD, an outstanding entry point into the world of GPS-enabled aerial photography. Number 4. Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus. The Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus, and Autel has been steadily building its reputation as the most credible alternative to DJI in the consumer drone space, and the EVO Lite Plus makes a compelling case for why that reputation is completely deserved. This is a drone that punches well above its weight class in terms of camera capability, and the imaging system is the undisputed centerpiece of the entire package. The 1-inch CMOS sensor is the star of the show, capturing a massive amount of light compared to the smaller sensors found in most drones at this price point, resulting in dramatically better low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and more detailed, nuanced footage in challenging lighting conditions like golden hour, dusk, and overcast skies where lesser drones struggle. The variable aperture from f2.8 to f11 gives you genuine creative control over depth of field and exposure that fixed aperture drones simply cannot offer, bringing a level of photographic flexibility to aerial imaging that professional photographers will immediately appreciate. Sky Portrait and Sky Follow intelligent tracking modes keep your subject locked in frame automatically, while the dynamic track feature handles fast-moving subjects with impressive accuracy. The EVO Lite Plus folds down into a remarkably compact package that slips easily into a backpack, and the 40-minute maximum flight time is genuinely class-leading, giving you more time in the air per battery than almost any competitor at this price level. 12-kilometer video transmission range delivers a stable, low-latency feed even at significant distances. With no geo-fencing restrictions, a notable advantage over DJI drones in certain regions, the EVO Lite Plus gives pilots maximum operational freedom. The Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus retails for approximately $749 USD. Number 3. Skydio 2 Plus Drone. The Skydio 2 Plus, and this is the drone on our list that does something no other drone in the world does better, and that one thing is autonomous obstacle avoidance. While DJI and Autel build drones that are exceptional in skilled hands, the Skydio 2 Plus is the drone that flies brilliantly almost entirely on its own, and the technology behind that capability is nothing short of extraordinary. 6 4K navigation cameras covering every angle of the drone, feed a continuous stream of visual data into Skydio's proprietary AI navigation system, which builds a real-time three-dimensional map of the drone's environment and plots a safe flight path through even the most complex and cluttered spaces, weaving between tree branches, ducking under bridges, and navigating tight urban environments with a confidence and fluidity that has to be witnessed in person to be fully appreciated. Where competing drones will slow to a stop or retreat when faced with obstacles, the Skydio 2 Plus simply finds a way through, keeping its subject tracked and filmed with remarkable persistence and intelligence. For action sports filming, mountain biking through dense forest trails, skiing through trees, or skateboarding through urban environments, the Skydio 2 Plus is in a category entirely of its own. The 12-megapixel camera captures 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second with electronic image stabilization that keeps footage smooth even during aggressive autonomous maneuvering. The beacon controller accessory extends the range and tracking reliability significantly, while the sport mode unlocks a top speed of 58 kilometers per hour for keeping up with fast-moving subjects. The Skydio 2 Plus retails for approximately $999 USD, a premium price for a drone that does things no other consumer drone on Earth can match. Number 2, DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S, and DJI's latest addition to the Air series, raises the bar for what a mid-range consumer drone can deliver in terms of image quality, intelligent flight features, and overall flying experience, and the results are genuinely spectacular. The headlining feature of the Air 3S is its primary camera system, a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a wide-angle f1.7 aperture lens that captures an extraordinary amount of light, producing stunning footage with impressive dynamic range and remarkable low-light performance that simply wasn't possible in a drone of this size and price class just a few years ago. The ability to capture true vertical video natively makes the Air 3S an exceptional content creation tool for social media platforms, where vertical format content dominates, while 4K video at up to 100 frames per second enables beautiful, buttery slow-motion footage that adds cinematic production value to any project. The medium telephoto secondary camera with a half-inch sensor provides a versatile second perspective for creative composition without the need to reposition the drone, giving filmmakers a genuine dual-camera aerial system in an impressively compact package. DJI's omnidirectional obstacle sensing keeps the drone safe in all directions simultaneously, while the upgraded O4 Plus video transmission system delivers a crystal-clear, ultra-low latency video feed at distances of up to 20 kilometers, a transmission range that gives professional operators the operational flexibility they need. Intelligent shooting modes, including master shots, quick shots, hyperlapse, and the upgraded ActiveTrack 360 make capturing cinematic footage straightforward even for less experienced pilots. With up to 45 minutes of flight time, the Air 3S delivers one of the longest endurance figures in its class. The DJI Air 3S retails for approximately $1,099 USD, and for the imaging capability and feature set it delivers, that represents extraordinary value. Number 1, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The best drone you can buy right now, it's the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. DJI has long been the undisputed leader in consumer and prosumer drone technology, and the Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate expression of everything that leadership represents. A drone that delivers a truly professional-grade imaging system, class-leading flight performance, and an overall package so comprehensively capable that it has become the go-to aerial platform for professional filmmakers, commercial operators, and serious content creators around the world. The defining feature of the Mavic 3 Pro is its groundbreaking triple camera system, a combination of 3 distinct lenses and sensors that gives aerial filmmakers a level of creative versatility that was previously only available on significantly larger and more expensive platforms. The primary camera features a 4/3 CMOS sensor, the largest sensor ever fitted to a Mavic series drone, with a Hasselblad L-format color science that produces footage of extraordinary color depth, dynamic range, and tonal richness that is immediately distinguishable from anything captured by a smaller sensored drone. The Hasselblad Natural Color Solution tuning ensures that skin tones, skies, foliage, and every other subject are rendered with a faithfulness and beauty that professional cinematographers demand. The medium telephoto camera with a half-inch sensor and the short telephoto camera with a one-third-inch sensor complete the triple camera system, giving the pilot a wide, medium, and telephoto perspective that can be switched between instantly in flight, essentially providing 3 complete aerial cameras in a single compact foldable airframe. Apple ProRes recording capability in the higher-tier Cine Premium version delivers broadcast-quality footage with maximum post-production flexibility, while 5.1K resolution at up to 50 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second provide both maximum detail and stunning slow-motion capability. DJI's omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APIS 5.0 advanced avoidance keeps this expensive and irreplaceable piece of equipment safe in complex environments, while the O3 Plus transmission system delivers a stable video feed at up to 15 kilometers. The remarkable 43-minute maximum flight time means you spend more time capturing and less time swapping batteries, and the RC Pro controller with its built-in high-brightness screen makes outdoor operation in direct sunlight genuinely practical and comfortable. Whether you're shooting cinematic travel content, commercial real estate, wedding films, or professional broadcast projects, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro delivers image quality, creative flexibility, and operational reliability that is simply without equal in the consumer and prosumer drone market today. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro retails for approximately $2,199 USD, a significant investment that is absolutely justified by the professional-grade results it consistently delivers in the hands of any pilot skilled enough to harness its full potential.